depuis longtemps. Baby, won't you be mine? J'aimerais que tu saches que I'm falling for you. Je fais une chute depuis.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy. So today I just want to show you guys how to install this wig which my client brought from she actually got it from a woman on WeChat called Alice. I don't know if it's Alice or Vicky or something like that. She got it and they sent it to me and I custom made it like that. I actually did the bleaching and plucking. So if you want yourself this same wig, please click the link down below that says to order a wig and I will meet you guys on my WeChat or WhatsApp, okay? And if you're in China, you want to install your wig, you can check me out on WeChat. My WeChat ID is Stacy Banks. All of my information are on the screen here. You can check it out, okay? So I have so many videos on my channel showing you guys how to install a wig, and also I have a detailed video showing you guys how I properly do my ball cap method. So you might want to check that video out. So right now I just wore the wig on her head. I'm adjusting it so that I will see where it lays on her hairline or her forehead. I must have cleaned her forehead with alcohol and then using my Bold Hold Active on her hairline that's the glue I'm using to lay down her legs. So I'm going to use 3 layers of this Bold Hold Active and let it dry clear like so, and then I'm going to stick the frontal on her forehead just where we place the glue. Make sure you press it really hard, like massage the forehead very well, and then you cut the ear tabs. So I will do this, cut the ear tabs, and then proceed with taking out her baby hairs, and then yeah, just watch. When cutting the extra lace on her hairline, I always try to cut it in in portions. Like I try to separate, to cut the frontal in little sections so that I make sure I do it the right way. So I would like you guys to also cut your frontal in sections, press it to the hairline, and then make sure you cut it in a zigzag motion so that it shouldn't look like it's so straight or smooth. It has to have this zigzag effect going on. So after cutting that, take out the baby hair, spray your got-to-be spray, and then you tie it down with a rubber band. So after tying her hairline, now I'm actually trying to give her the sharp blonde cut I'm not really a professional, so don't judge me. I'm just doing what I can do, but we still got the result which we were looking for. So it was so long, and she wanted something which ends at her shoulder, so we had to cut it so that it should end where she likes it. So when doing that, I always use my hot iron to flat iron it so that we get that swing effect. So guys, keep on watching. So I always advise people to use their hot comb to actually take away the flying hairs and to define your parts. So since we'll be doing the side parts, I have to use my hot comb to define the part and also take away the flying hairs at her forehead to give me way to work well with the baby hair. So since she didn't know how to, she doesn't know, or she didn't know, she told me she wanted a long lasting baby hair. That's why I'm using Got to Be gel, the black container, the clear one, to do her baby hair. So you can also use mousse to do your baby hairs, but as a professional, I always advise beginners to use gel so that you don't find it difficult to work with. So guys, this is the end result. I hope you like my tutorial, and also like this video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. And I also have so many videos on my channel showing you guys how to do braids, how to install wigs with a closure, how to do sewings. You might like to check my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up, a big fat thick thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.